在这边住了20多年了。我是觉得这几年来有改变了很多，变得比较清洁，比较干净啦。
Bukit Panjang saya suka tinggal semua dekat pasar, dekat komplek, dekat bas, dekat MRT, dekat semua segi-segi senang. Pembersih kawasan sini semua okey lah, tak ada apa-apa hal.
以前我们初搬来的时候是没有巴萨，也没有这些游乐场这些咯。前下雨我们就是有时候没有拿雨伞哦，就用跑哦。现在不用了啦，现在有连贯通来通去，可以走，就不会淋到雨了。
What I like most about in working in this town council is that I got to serve my residents. Like for today, I received a feedback from one of the residents saying the trees are a bit out of shape. So what we do, we engage our contractor to do the pruning. So this pruning, we have a schedule, but then if there's a call by residents, then we have to call up our contractor to do ad hoc kind of work lah. Tree pruning is necessary for the estate because branches, if it's too long, it will break and then will hurt or drop onto somebody and it will cause a hazard to the fellow residents. When we receive a call from a resident, we attend to it and resident come back to us saying that thank you, we have done the pruning for us. We felt that appreciated by the resident that they actually recognize our work and they are actually helping us to improve the estate better.
我在市政理事会工作了14年，在这14年的服务当中，居民通常投诉的范围包括公共走廊灯泡的损坏需要更新，还有公共走廊清洁的服务，还有屋子内的屋顶跟外墙漏水的问题。做一个好的工作人员，他必须要有耐心的聆听居民的需求，要懂得自己的工作范围，从中尽快的采取适当的方法解决他们的问题。从这一点，我们就可以跟他们建立一个良好的关系，直到他们满意我们的服务。因为建立一个良好的社区环境需要大家一起的合作。
I live in a HDB estate, so every morning when I go out of my house, I see that the common corridors, the common areas are actually properly clean. So after I work in town council, I understand the operations. I received a phone call from a resident that she requires some help to remove an old sofa. So upon receiving her feedback, I make arrangement with the conservancy contractor to collect the sofa at the common corridor. After we have disposed the item, we gave her a call to update her that the item has been removed. It keeps me motivated when I meet residents who are happy with our service and they are appreciative of our help, and through that I feel a sense of satisfaction.